LaFaye with a tight right bite. Today we're going to do an exercise called setting up surprise, weaving surprise into your subconscious to let it rise out of your writing. As we prepare to do this exercise, please take out some paper and the writing utensil of your choice. And I'm going to be doing this exercise with you, so let's have a little fun. To start off with, I have to point out that by doing exercises like this on a pretty regular basis allows you to weave these things into your subconscious so they rise to the surface without much prompting. So let's give it a go. Are you ready? Here we go. Now, write a list of nouns down the center of a page. Here we go. Try to go as fast as you can. You can make the list as short or as long as you'd like to make it for the purpose of this exercise. Now, moving on to write adjectives to the left. Go, go, go. All right, spelling and grammatical accuracy do not matter in this exercise. Now, on to the next stage requires me to copy this. And here we go. Now, verbs to the right. And no, this is not an odd form of literary dancing. Here we go. For this purpose, I have to shrink my font. Verbs, verbs. Where are my verbs? On to the next stage. Fold the paper down to just the nouns and go again. All right. In doing this exercise, you're seeding your subconscious. With the roots of surprise, words that plink off the page ricochet in your readers' minds and resonate well after they've finished the story, poem, or pickle manifesto. So, write on and see what may rise out of your subconscious. I bet it will be surprising. This has been a tight right bite with LaFaye.